I'm so bored reading. Why does Mom have to say I have to read? Hey, Mom's not looking. Let's see if I can sneak off the channel of Celis Kaprice. Beep, boop, bop, beep. Hello! Today for the football game. Oh no, I watch Celis Kaprice. Today we're gonna open a new box to show you about a new toy. We're gonna open it right now. I wonder what our toy will be. What? Now let's see what's in store for you guys. It's the Cruz Ramirez APB! Whoa! Who knew that was gonna happen? It's Cruz Ramirez APB from Disney PIXAR's Cars 3. That all rhymed, as you see, and we are going to look inside. Now it's time to open it up. Da 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 da! You have earned the Cruz Ramirez APB toy. Now let's carefully take this toy off. Don't want to make any mistakes. Ugh. Now, what we will do is we'll carefully show you what this is. You can see that APB has this, has big tires and a police light. We flip it over and you can see all of the design. You can see that there is an extra tire maybe when he crashes, and you can see he has two like antennas somewhere. And if you do it says you can rent, and then it says a little star there. So that's APB. We'll show you about this toy. So it has a tire. You can do that. Sorry. And it has this at the back, and you see that the wheels are moving. And you see that when she crashes, she has an extra tire just in case. So you can police and police. Hey, does that. Which one is faster than the other? Now I hope you enjoy. Da, 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 go! No, you! I won! These are called all-terrain. We're going to see if that's actually true, because nobody knows that. So we are going to race them over my sister's yummy corner, aka stinky old friend. And we're going to race it over a towel, a book, then my brother's underpants, and a Barbie. 1, 2, 3. These toys because like they could go on water. That's really cool about these cars because, and it's cool that they're not electrical. They don't do electricity because so you can do this just so you're not worried that if you do this in water you won't get electrocuted. So I hope that you guys like these cars because they're very cool. That was our review, and now I think that what's really cool are these spikes. And I found out that they can run on any ground because these spikes allow them to jump over stuff. So that's why they can do it. And I like their design and how they are made and how their wheels go very fast and how you can race with them. Now I will allow this car to go to Cruz and see what Cruz has to say about herself. Hey Cruz, what do you want to say about yourself that you really like? I like how my wheels can allow me to go on anything. And I think it's amazing because we are cars in that we have extra tires on the back and that we like it. Now I'm gonna race to him. I hope you liked that video, and thank you for watching this video of Cruz Ramirez APB from Disney PIXAR's Cars 3. That all rhymed, as you subscribe for our channel. Leave a like or a comment below. We love showing kids how fun toys can be. And also tell your parents about this exciting event. Bye! Thank you for watching Celis Kaprice.
If you like what you see here, put your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to the video. Thanks for watching.